I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the exact images you want and clip it. Pick PNG or JPG and keep sizes reasonable for performance. Once done, rename files to simple names, no special characters, to avoid import errors. Make sure Roblox Studio is open and the Clip It plugin or built-in recording tool is enabled so you can import immediately. You're doing this now to prevent interruptions later. Small prep saves time and reduces crashes while you insert assets into the scene. Now import images via your Asset Manager. Right-click, select Import, and Upload. This makes each file a decal or GUI asset in your account. Then drag the decal or GUI image into the workspace or screen GUI and convert it to the right object type, decal for parts, image label for UI. Once it's in, scale and position using the transform handles and the properties panel. Anchor when needed so movement doesn't shift it. These steps control how the picture looks in the final recording and prevent unexpected. Finally, set up your Clip It recording. Choose resolution and frame rate, then set scene length so animations finish cleanly. Preview the scene to confirm images appear and animations are synced. Once satisfied, record and export as MP4 or your chosen format. If the picture doesn't show in the final clip, pause. Check that the decal's asset ID and permissions are correct, reapply the decal or refresh the GUI, and then re-record. This troubleshooting step fixes most missing image problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.